Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update Creality firmware. So yeah, first what we are going to do is you can check which printer do you have firstly, and uh, then you can check also on uh, in the main board version of your printer. So you can do that. You can unscrew the mainboard housing cover and read the version number printed directly on the green or black PCB board. Okay, now to download the new firmware, let's head over to the Creality official page. Now scroll down all the way where you see Download Center. So support Download Center, just like so. Now this is Creality Cloud app, slicing software, but right here at the top of those menus we have more. And if we click here, you will see it will show up Creality app, software and firmware. So click on firmware, just like so. And now from here, what you need to do is simply just find your printer. So here it is. Let's where it is, high series, and you will see, okay, we have, for example, this one. Click on this, and yeah, it will start downloading. And after that, you just simply you can simply just update with your USB drive. So this image basically you see that is EMG file. You will upload this to USB flash drive, and you will plug the USB drive into the front port of the active printer, and it needs to pop up prompt where it will show you that just click upgrade and let the machine install and restart. And after updating a smart printer, it is highly recommended to run a full self-check calibration. And yeah, you have successfully uh, updated firmware on your printer. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next